Thank you for choosing the Rainbuster leak-free window installation system. This system offers high-performance products, proven procedures, and an industry-leading 30-year parts and labor warranty. It is designed to provide the best in leak prevention. The Rainbuster leak-free system includes a comprehensive catalog of installation procedures. It is an ideal single-source solution for architects, builders, and installers. All Rainbuster leak-free window installation system procedures are available in full-color brochures and electronic PDF format. These written procedures include all of the necessary details and best practice recommendations. Please refer to them prior to beginning your project. This Rainbuster training video provides a real-world representation of the procedure.
In this step, we install the sill flashing. We'll use Rainbuster 415 25mm in 9-inch width. Install sill flashing flush with the sill of the rough opening. Each end of the sill flashing should extend the width of the flashing on each side of the rough opening. Adhere and/or fasten with staples or nails along top edge of flashing tight to the rough opening, within 1 inch of the edge of the rough opening. Remove 2 inches of the release paper along top edge of flashing prior to installation. Note, the remaining release paper will be removed and the flashing will be adhered after the weather-resistant barrier has been installed. Do not fasten along bottom edge of sill flashing. This will allow for the weather-resistant barrier to be installed behind the sill flashing in a weatherboard fashion. In this step, we install flexible flashing corners at the window sill. We'll use Rainbuster 425A outside corners. Pre-cut outside A corners to window sill and jamb depth if depth is less than 4 inches. Position flexible flashing corners firmly into window sill jamb corner. Install flexible flashing corners using nails or staples, ensuring secure attachment through vertical legs only. In this step, we install the window sill pan flashing. We'll use Rainbuster 415 25mm in 9-inch width. The window sill pan flashing should extend the width of the rough opening plus 8 inches up the jamb of each side of the rough opening. Flashing should extend a minimum of 1 inch past the interior face of the window after the window is installed. Adhere window sill pan flashing across window sill, over flexible flashing corners, and up jambs. Press flashing firmly into inside corner, eliminating any voids or wrinkles between the flashing and the flexible flashing corners. Make relief cut at corner, allowing flashing to fold and adhere over the sill flashing, minimum 5-inch lap, and flexible flashing corner at jamb. Using a J-roller, apply pressure while rolling entire surface of flashing to ensure adequate adhesion. In this step, we install the window. This step uses Rainbuster 450 sealant. Apply a 3/8 inch continuous bead of sealant to the back side of the window flange. Leave a 3-inch void in the sealant at each end of the window flange at the sill of the window. Apply sealant in line with the pre-punched holes in the window flange. Sealant must be applied no longer than 10 minutes prior to installation of window. Install window per window manufacturer's installation specifications, ensuring window is securely fastened and plumb, level, and square. Sealant squeeze-out should be visible around perimeter and through all pre-punched holes in the window flange, except at required voids at the sill corners. Tool or knock down sealant squeeze-out flat. In this step, we apply sealant at the interior of the window. Apply a 3/8 inch continuous bead of sealant to interior perimeter of window, sealing window to window sill pan flashing. Sealant should extend across window sill and up jambs 8 inches. Tool sealant into window sill pan joint, ensuring continuous seal. In this step, we'll install the jamb flashing. We'll use Rainbuster 415 25 mil in 9-inch width. Adhere jamb flashing flush with edge of window over the window flange. Jamb flashing should extend to within 1/2 inch or flush with the bottom edge of the sill flashing. Using a J-roller, apply pressure and roll entire surface of jamb flashing. Repeat on other side. Do not fasten along bottom edge of jamb flashing. This will allow for the weather-resistive barrier to be installed behind the sill flashing in a weatherboard fashion. In this final step, we install the head flashing. We'll use Rainbuster 415 25 mil in 9-inch width. Install membrane at the head of the window. Each end of the membrane should extend the width of the flashing plus 1 inch on each side of the rough opening. Adhere membrane over window flange and jamb flashing flush with the top of the window. Using a J-roller, apply pressure and roll entire surface of membrane. Fasten with staples or nails along top edge of membrane. Use minimum number of fasteners required to keep flashing in place.
Thank you for your time. Please visit topindustrial.com if you would like more information. Now, let's briefly review this procedure.